Counting on you knowing, right? You got it rolling?
Yep.
First thing I'm counting on you knowing is to be able to palpate and find the PSI ICs. Okay, so that's like the critical piece in this. If you guys can't see and want to gather around, that's cool. If you know what I'm doing from there, that's fine as well. A lot of times the best way to find this is we find the iliac crests, right? And I just take my thumbs and I just drop down and kind of come and hook underneath. Okay? So I'm here like this, I drop down, I find that. Right, find those on either side. A lot of times they're just medial to that dimple or just lateral to that dimple. So I'm right there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of just maintain my contact at those PSI ICs. I'm not pushing really hard. I'm just kind of laying my hands over them. Okay? And what I'm going to then do is I'm going to ask the patient to bend forward all the way toward the floor and back again. So she goes all the way forward and back again. And I need her to really do that several times. Now she doesn't have to go all the way to the floor actually, because she starts to move at her PSIS right about here. So maybe just half of that. Good. And back up again. And again. Now see how I'm having her move quickly and how I'm looking at repeated movements? If she's moving real slow, you can relax for a second, and I'm palpating, and she's moving really, really slow, and I'm looking at it one time, I mean, you'd have to be extremely amazing, and you probably are, too good for PT school, right? To be able to feel that. I mean, honestly, very, very difficult to feel. So I need to get this rhythm kind of thing going where I'm feeling these over several repetitions. Notice I'm not looking because I'm now not concerned about her lumbar motion. I'm simply having her move so I can elicit pelvic girdle motion. Right? And with her I'm feeling some clicking on this left side. I'm feeling these joints and there's some asymmetry in these joints. Right? They are not moving the same on both sides. It's giving me some information. Whether or not that's clinically significant depends on her symptoms and what's happening relative to this. But I can report that there's some issues with quality in regards to what's going on with these PSI ICs. Okay? So go ahead and do that a couple more times for me. Good. And what I'm feeling is the left side is crunching a little bit, for lack of a better word, and it's moving first. It's moving, I'm looking for which one takes off from the ground first. And the left one moves first. In that case, with this test, the side that moves first, remember, is the positive side. Now I write positive, left side crepitus, positive meaning that it moved the most. Whether or not that has anything to do with her problem, I have not yet determined. I'm just collecting information. Okay? So we're not making determinations necessarily yet about that specifically. Okay? Good.